Hello friends, welcome to my channel, and today we will be learning we will start to learn tabla from basics, and I would like to invite all of you to join me, the beginners and intermediate tabla players, and I would be sharing my knowledge and the tukras, chakradars, all the compositions, and different things I have learned about tabla. So I will be putting over the coming, in the near future, I will be putting all of those compositions and on YouTube, and I will be sharing. I will be happy to share that all of this tremendous amount of knowledge with you all. So today, because it's the first lesson, I'll not go into the history, or I'll not make it very broad. I will be direct on the point, and we will start with the very. I'll just tell you, to the people who are starting to learn tabla, I'll just explain to you the what is the different parts of tabla called, and just the small introduction, how starting syllables are played. Yeah. So this is the tabla, and this is made with hardwood. It's shisham wood, sometimes mango, different woods. So, and the pegs in Hindi they are called gatta or gatte. This is the baddi of the tabla, with which they we pull the and make it tight in the tone. This is the kinar, the outermost portion. This is called the gajra. Yeah, it keeps the head balanced. So, and the head is balanced by the gajra, and gajra is balanced by the baddi, and the baddis are balanced by the gattas. Yeah. So this is the kinar side. We see the outer rim here. If you are able to see, the outer rim is called the kinar. The main center rim, which is a bit more brighter, it's called sur. And the black, the big black, the center one, it's called siahi, or they say also gub. Yeah. So tabla is made, this part is made with the leather. It's like goat leather, goat skin, and this the black thing siahi. It is made with different materials. They put iron powder, and they mix many different things. I don't know, because I don't make tablas. So, and same for the baya. This is the gajra. This is the kinar. The bass is the bass drum. This is the treble drum. Yeah. So it has the treble sound, and this has the bass sound. Yeah. And this is made with the metal body. Yeah, it's a completely, it's a big heavy metal body, which gives it a, the skin is also a bit thick, and it gives it a more bassy tone. And it's the treble. So in when I used to think, it's also like in the ancient times, in the Sikh tradition, they are also called jodi. They was said it's a jodi, actually is a different pakhawaj, it's a different topic. But this tabla is also like, in both, when they combine it, it's also called tabla. Yeah, the single one is also called tabla. This is called the baya, and when we say the combined, it's also said to be tabla. And it's very interesting that how in the real world we have a female and a male, and they are both called as couple. So it's same in tabla. So the female drum, which has a treble, which has a high tone, like a woman, how she speaks in a high tone. And when a male talks, he talks more bassy. So they both come together, and they make a complete instrument. And also in the real life, when a male and a female, they both come together, they make a couple. So we will quickly go into the the basics and the starting of the starting syllables, which are which we learn in the beginning. Yeah. So the first syllable is called na, or ta. They are both same. So we put the hand like this, we come back here. The ring finger has to be placed on the gub, on the syahi, and the middle finger has to come up, and with the first finger we play on the sur. Na, ta. Yeah. The second syllable is te, te. Te we will play with these three fingers, and te we will play with the single finger on the syahi. Yeah. So first see the place, te and te, 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 te. Yeah. Then is also one, it's called thun. Yeah. So with the first finger you play openly, thun. Yeah, with the first one. And on the left drum we play, the first is kat. So we place our wrist on the baya and kat. It's called kat. Yeah, kat. And then we lift it up, and like we did the divide here with the three fingers and two fingers, we also do a divide here. Yeah, so these fingers and this one single finger, we go ge, 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 or ge, ge. Yeah, like you can say like a snake. Yeah, like a snake we hit it. Yeah, so ge, 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 ge. Yeah. So this is the first basics. Yeah, I will also put in the description like the how it's called, ta, na, ta, and te, te, kat, ge, ge we learned. Yeah. So in the next video we'll start to learn slowly by slowly the little compositions, little finger settings, the beginners, and I hope you will like it, and thanks for joining. See you in the next video.